MANN+HUMMEL was established in Ludwigsburg in southwest Germany in 1941. Operating from 41 locations around the world with 14,500 employees, MANN+HUMMEL today is a major player in the supply of automotive components. The MANN filter brand is marketed internationally by MANN+HUMMEL, and its products are made to the highest quality standards. These standards apply to original equipment products supplied to almost every leading automobile manufacturer and to filters distributed throughout the aftermarket under the MANN filter brand name. In the UK, the MANN filter brand is marketed by the Aftermarket Division of MANN+HUMMEL, a facility based at Featherstone in the West Midlands. It's here where, as a result of increasing consumer demand, larger warehousing was required to further improve customer service and to provide the company with new and improved working processes. This is the brand new 5,500 square metre distribution facility, and from the outset the demand for high quality pallet racking and shelving was clear. Through a successful tender process, Link 51, with all of its extensive expertise, was on board. In addition to racking and shelving, lockers are an essential item in this distribution centre. Here, Link 51 supplied the latest contemporary design steel lockers, providing a secure, functional and orderly changing facility for employees. MANN+HUMMEL consider quality and service as paramount in their choice of warehousing solutions, and worked with Link 51 based on its ability to deliver to expectations.
I was brought into this project when the previous manager was offered a transfer to our Singapore offices. It was a promotion, which obviously he wanted to take. So I was parachuted in June of 2011 to project manage the warehouse expansion. I had project management experience from previous employment, so I was invited to take the project on. The existing warehouse, which is attached to our production facility, was operating at full capacity. We had planned growth. We knew that we could improve our market share, and we needed extra warehousing capacity. It wasn't possible to expand the warehouse facility at the existing production factory, so we were looking for alternative premises. Fortunately, these premises are just 500 metres from the existing production facility, so we've taken out a lease, and this facility offers us nearly 70% extra capacity in warehouse space. We have much more pallet space capacity here. We have improved our picking efficiencies. We've got more open area to be able to do batch picking in the future, and we will be able to improve customer deliveries and pick rates. Absolutely confident about that, and we are very pleased with the facility that we have. We transferred over a weekend. We lost 4 hours of trading, which I think we're quite proud of, and very few of our customers even noticed that we'd moved facilities. It was only when we announced it afterwards that the customers realised that they were being actually supplied from a different logistics centre. The original benchmark pallet racking and shelf storage facility, the design of that was created by MANN+HUMMEL both in the UK and our logistics centre in Germany, where we have obviously we get experience from across the world. So we had a benchmark tender which went out to a number of suppliers, and they were also invited, in fact they were encouraged to offer alternatives if they thought that they would be beneficial. Following a bit of evaluation of those tenders, we selected Link 51 as our preferred partner. We had experience with Link 51 with the previous factory, with the previous warehouse, because that's all the pallet space bracking in the previous facility is Link 51. But also we had to consider price and delivery, and Link 51 also offered us a competitive price and the delivery that we were looking for. we were operating to quite a tight time schedule, and it was very important that the project was brought in on time as well as on budget, and we could not afford to have any risk of somebody not supplying. And of course, Link 51 also being a local company increased our confidence levels that they will be able to deliver in time. I think that there are two key factors. One, of course, has got to be cost, and the second one is service. We found that during the bidding process and during the engineering process, if we had to make any changes, they were accommodated very efficiently, very quickly. New drawings were turned around in good time. The overall construction of the project wasn't held up by anybody, which was very important. So I think the two key factors were service and cost. We were very pleased with the level of support that was given during the installation period. There were no problems between Link 51, who were one of the main subcontractors, and the other subcontractors working on site. I mean, at one time we had, I think, 14 different subcontractors working on site all at the same time. So there had to be a lot of coordination, but we found they all worked together very well. We completed the overall project one day early. I think these days that's an achievement, and we're very proud of it. And we moved in the day we said we were going to move in. I would definitely recommend Link 51 to other companies who are looking for similar racking system to ours, and I would say to them that they can expect a good service.
Every aspect of installation is considered and project managed to incorporate construction with other build activities, such as the installation of lighting and sprinkler systems. In the safe and professional construction of an impressive facility such as this, nothing is left to chance. Ultimately, it's the way Link 51 do business.